friends, welcome back to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. Today I am going to show you without my topic channel. So today I am going to show you how you can play a piano if you are new to in the piano. So how you can play from the basically to learn the piano. So I will show you how to uh, do the things. So first thing you have to the press these three layers. So one layer you press, and then after that you have to start.